Okay, I'm going to take you through the use of a few different materials. So this is just going to be a quick exercise and hopefully it'll give you some ideas on use. You can mix up all these individual materials as you wish and just try and see if it works or not. So here we go, starting off with pencil. Pencils come in all different grades from B to 6B, H's, whatever. Get a big collection and practice with them, good for line and tone. Also, you can get this in a builder's yard or a handy shop. It's just a carpenter's pencil, builder's pencil. It's got a big thick graphite stick in there and you can sharpen it and use it on edge. Get a load of various lines with that. It comes in various grades as well. Anyway, getting back to normal pencils. Great for line work, pressure. I'll use a different one here. Keep sharpening them. Good for line tone and pressure tone. And you can have propelling pencils and buy the lead separate. So pencils, I'm sure you know pencils intimately. Next, there is one other thing with pencils. If you're working with a lot of tone, and you can do this with charcoal, not so well with graphite, but try anything. You can draw with the eraser or take out edges, but it'd be quite fun to get different patterns and make your tone work a bit more precise by removing bits, etc. Okay, that's pencils. Next up is graphite sticks. Similar to pencil, much messier though. They come in different grades as well, and they're very intense. A bit shiny, but great for quick sketching. Good feel to them. Sharp point ones and big thick ones. Great for getting a nice texture as well when done broadly like that. Thick lines. It doesn't rub out so good though. Also good for frottage. So that is basically graphite, and while we're on that, this is charcoal. Don't bother with the little thin sticks, they're useless and they're always breaking. Go for big thick ones. They can be drawn across like that, or you can use the edge. Great for shading in, you get good grade of tone from hardly anything. Great for life drawing, and you can draw into this as well. So when you've got a big area of tone, you can still draw through it. Get some great textures with charcoal. Next up, coloured pencils. Of course, you can do line and tone with these as well. They mix well. So, coloured pencils, if that's your fancy. A variation on coloured pencils is watercolour pencils. They can be used as normal pencils. They're good for blending, as you can see. And you can add water to extend the wash. This can be quite fun. A lot of illustrators use these because you can be quite precise with these lovely effects you get. Just like watercolour, slightly easier to control. And you can do this the other way around, a slightly dirty brush. And if you wet the paper first, you get a good wash that way. Okay, watercolour pencils.